I'm Manusha, Associate Professor in Sri Sai Ram Institute of Technology. In today's lecture, I'm going to discuss simple crystal structures. Before starting crystal structure, I'm going to explain the characteristics of a unit cell related to the crystal structure. Generally, unit cell is characterized by the following parameter. Here we are going to make one assumption. Each lattice point has only one atom. So first characteristic is number of atoms per unit cell. It is the number of atoms possessed by the unit cell. And second one is coordination number. It is the number of nearest atom directly surrounding to the particular atom in a unit cell. Third characteristic is nearest neighboring distance. It is the distance between the center of two nearest neighboring atoms. And fourth characteristic is atomic radius. It is half of the distance between two nearest neighboring atoms in a crystal. And last characteristic is important one, that is packing factor. It gives information how atoms are packed in a unit cell. It is defined as the ratio of total volume occupied by the atoms in the unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell. In the numerator, you will be having total volume occupied by the atom in the unit cell. To find the total volume occupied by the unit cell, you have to find number of atoms per unit cell into volume of one atom. Let me start discussing the crystal structure. First one is simple cubic structure. It is one of the 14 Bravais ladders. Definition for the simple cubic structure is, in the simple cubic structure, there is one atom at each of the 8 corners of the unit cell. You can see the diagram. This is your unit cell cubic structure. In the 8 corners, you will be having one atom, and you can see your adjacent atom touch each other along the edges. And third diagram is gives the position of your space lattice. And next is, we are going to find number of atoms per unit cell. As you have seen in the diagram, each corner atom is common to 8 unit cell. So contribution of a corner atom to a unit cell is 1 by 8. As you will be having 8 corner atom, so 1 by 8 into 8 will give 1. So total number of atoms in a unit cell is 1 atom. And next is coordination number. We know what is coordination number. To find the coordination number of a simple cubic structure, I have given this diagram. This has 8 unit cell. I have taken a reference atom as a purple color. This purple color atom has 4 atoms in this nearest neighboring atom in the same plane. That I have named as a 2, 3, 4, 5. And one atom just above it, and one atom just below it. So the coordination number for the simple cubic structure is 8. And next is, we are going to find atomic radius calculation. That is, we are going to find relation between R and A. So we know that, you can see that this is one phase of your unit cell. You can see this 2 corner atom touch each other. So your distance between the center of your 2 atom is nothing but nearest neighboring distance to R, which is nothing but the cube HA. So you got 2R was said to be equal to A. So R was said to be equal to A by 2. So relation between R and A is R is equal to A by 2. And finally, we are going to find the packing factor. Definition for the packing factor is number of atoms in the unit cell into volume of one atom divided by volume of a unit cell. We have calculated number of atoms in a unit cell is 1. Volume of one atom, here you are assuming your atom is a perfect sphere. So your volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of your unit cell, it is a cube. So volume of a cube is nothing but A cube. So we find the relation between R and A. Your R is nothing but A by 2. So A by 2 whole square, on solving you will be getting pi by 6, that is 0.52. What we have understand here is 52% is occupied by atom, and remaining 48% is vacant. Only element that is having simple cubic structure is polonium. And let me pass on to the next structure. Next structure is body centered cubic structure. in this body centered cubic structure, you can see in addition to 8 corner atom, you will be having one body centered atom. This diagram gives the position of your space lattice. And you can see here, this corner atom do not touch each other, but your body centered atom seems to be touch all the 8 corner atoms. And next is, we are going to find number of atoms per unit cell. As I explained previously, your contribution of your share of your corner atom is, your contribution of one corner atom is 1 by 8, as you will be having 8 corner atom. So you got 8 into 1 by 8 was said to be equal to 1. Your body center atom contribute as a whole, it belongs only to this unit cell, so its contribution is 1. So total number of atoms in BCC structure is 2. And next is your coordination number. You can see this body centered atom touches the 8 corner atom. So obviously coordination number for BCC structure is 8. And next is relation between R by A. So to find the relation between R by A, just I have drawn body diagonal AD. This body diagonal AD, it passes through 2 corner atom and 1 body centered atom. Also I have drawn the face diagonal AC. Just I consider a triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, I am going to apply a Pythagoras theorem. So you got in a triangle ABC, AC square was said to be equal to AB square plus BC square. You know this side AB and BC is nothing but your A. On substituting, you got AC was said to be equal to root A. Then I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem for the triangle ABC. So AD square was said to be equal to AC square plus CD square. On substituting the value, you got AD is equal to root 3A. Also, as I said previously, your body diagonal, it passes through 2 corner atom and 1 body diagonal atom as a whole. So your AD was nothing but your 4R. So I got AD is in terms of A as root 3A, AD in terms of R is 4R. So I got root 3A was said to be equal to 4R. So finally we got R was said to be equal to root 3A by 4. So we got the relation between R and A. And next is packing factor. We know your formula is packing factor is equal to number of atoms in a unit cell into volume of one atom divided by volume of unit cell. Here in BCC, number of atoms in a unit cell is 2. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know volume of a cube is A cube. R is root 3A by 4. On solving, we get 0.68. So 68% is occupied by atom and 32% is vacant. I have given few examples for you the BCC structure. Few example element having BCC structure, tungsten, chromium and molybdenum. And final structure what I am going to discuss is face-centered cubic structure. In this face-centered cubic structure, in addition to your 8 corner atom, this has 1 atom in each of the 6 phases of the unit cell. That is FCC. Simply we are calling them as a FCC. And next, number of atoms per unit cell calculation. We know you are already we have discussed your contribution of your corner atom is 1 by 8, as you will be 8 corner atom. So contribution is 1. And you can see this diagram. See this face-centered atom is shared by 2 unit cell. So contribution of a face-centered atom to a unit cell is 1 by 2. As you will be having 6 phases, so in each phase you will be having 1 atom. So we got 6 into 1 by 2, 3. So number of atoms in one unit cell was said to be equal to 1 plus 3. 1 from corner atom and 3 from face-centered atom. And next is coordination number. So we know what is coordination number. See, for this, to find the coordination number, just I have drawn 8 unit cell. So reference atom I have shown as a red atom. So this red atom, reference atom is a corner atom. For this corner atom, face-centered atom is the nearest neighboring atom. So in the same plane, we will be having 4 green color face-centered atom. And if you are going to consider this plane, in this plane, we will be having 4 blue colored atom, and third plane is this plane. In this plane, you will be having 4 orange color atom. So, coordination number is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, if I am going to take this diagram, so I have drawn only the 3 planes that are mutually perpendicular with respect to each other. This plane and this one and finally this one. I have drawn only 3 planes in this diagram. You can see this reference atom has 4 atoms in the same plane and 4 above and 4 below. So for this reference atom, your coordination number is 12. And next is relation between R and A. So what I have taken is the phase. So in this phase, I have drawn the phase diagonal. So phase diagonal passes through one face centered atom and the 2 corner atom. So your AC is nothing but 4R. And I have taken a triangle ABC. I have applied Pythagoras theorem. On applying Pythagoras theorem, you got AC was said to be equal to root 2A. So we will be equating and finally we will be getting 4R was said to be equal to root 2A. R is equal to root 2A by 4. And finally, we are going to end with packing factor. So packing factor is, we know the definition is number of atoms in a unit cell into volume of atom divided by volume of a unit cell. In FCC, we have 4 atoms and volume of your atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of a cube is a cube. And substituting 74. So 74% is occupied by atom, remaining 26% is vacant. I have given examples: copper, aluminium, nickel, gold, lead, platinum was said to have the FCC structure. Out of this simple cubic, body centered and FCC has a closely packed structure. Thank you.